Come on. Well, there's a snowstorm coming. It already started, and the storm started a little too late, so the turkeys came down. If the storm would have started at 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, they would have stayed in the trees. And we're supposed to be getting 18 to 24 inches. These guys are going to have a very rough evening here. They're going to be leaving in over a foot of snow, and it's going to be very difficult to fly up into the trees. They usually go up that mountain up there through over a foot of snow or deeper, and then up the mountain, and it's going to be difficult for them to actually fly. Hopefully they get smart and stay on my deck or around the trees here. These turkeys have never seen the amount of snow we're going to get. So this is all new for them. I might have to walk with them later if they leave the property to go up the mountain to make sure they have a safe passage. And right now it's with the wind about 7 below here. But as long as they're here, they're safe. They got plenty of food. Alrighty, I'll do another video later, give an update. And a little Junko just flew through the turkeys looking for some seeds too. I'll do another video later, maybe a couple of them, to see how much snow's coming down every hour. Thanks for watching. Bye.